Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use someone else's music on TikTok using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for tiktok.com. You can see that here on my search bar. So now just go ahead and log in your account. And once you've done that, you want to scroll down until you see the music that you want to use. So for example, this one. So I want you to do is to click this link here at the upper part of the video. And now I want you to click on these three little dots. I'm sorry, here at the share button at the side of the three little dots, okay? And you want to click on copy link. And once you've done that, I want you to open a new window or new tab to search for MP3 converter TikTok. And then just go ahead and choose in any of this. So for example, this one. And the name of this website, the name of this website is ssstik.io. Okay, again, ssstik.io / download dash TikTok dash MP3. So now I want you to do is just to paste the link that you've copied earlier and now click on download. So you just need to wait. And here you want to click download MP3. So here as you can see that music is now downloaded on my device. So now you can use that on your TikTok using your computer. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.